Let's talk about dictionaries. So they are this Python data structure that has key and value pairs, and you can use them really to fit whatever data you have. So let's say that we wanted to have a phone book. So let's do a comment. So set up a phone book dictionary. So we'll do our name of our dictionary, call it phone book. Equals, and for the dictionary, we use the curly braces, so the one with the little decoration there. And then for readability, I'm going to set this up on separate lines since we'll have our key and our value. We'll do some names, and then we'll do a colon, and then the value. So we'll just do some just phony phone numbers here, and then I will just copy this so I don't have to type out the phone number. So we'll do like, let's say 4, and then just for readability, indent those. uh, Jen, Brad, Alex, and Sam. And then we'll do the phone numbers, will just increase by 1, just some phony phone numbers. So obviously we can have many more uh, records in our phone book if we wanted to, but this is good. You can get the idea. And then let's say we want to loop through them. We can do the for syntax, and then we can basically just give a name, a descriptive name to both the key and the value. So let's do person, comma, phone in phone book. And this is where we should just copy the name of our dictionary so we don't misspell it. Dot items, and then colon. And then we can just do a print statement here. So we can print, again, we should copy and paste person, and then we can do uh, comma, the word and then another comma, and then phone, just so you can get the idea of what it should look like. So let's run this loop through the person dictionary and print all of, or it's actually the phone book dictionary, and print all of the keys and values. So there we have our list. The other thing we can do is we can look for a particular value in our list if we want to. So let's say that we wanted to pick out what Alex's phone number is. We could do print and then Alex's number, comma, and then we can grab our phone book dictionary, and then we can go by key. So we can go by the key of Alex, and then we could see what that is. We'll delete the output there and run it again. And then you can see the list, and then we've just selected Alex's phone number. So hopefully that's helpful to actually see one way that you can use a dictionary. Of course, there's lots of other ways for lots of other data.